Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So eyebrows is very important during makeup. It'll either make your face or break it. I mean, your makeup level can go like really high if you have perfect brows. So today I'm going to show you how to do like a brow makeup or how to get perfect eyebrows. So let's start. So the products that I'll be using are from Benefit. Benefit has really good eyebrow range and I've been using it for a while. So this is called the Browsing from Benefit. It has like two parts. One is like the pomade or the gel-ish part, and then this is the powderish part. So the first thing I'm going to use is this thing. It also comes with a brush and also comes with a tweezer, so it's easier for you. So I'm just going to take a little bit of product and start doing my brows here. Make sure that you don't make it too thick. At times it looks very weird, like it looks fake. So just go with your natural brows, and just a little outer line is good. So I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just continuing my brow shape only. And I like to give this high thing. It gives a really nice look. So this is what I'm doing. So I'll do the same thing on this one. Always remember that brows are sisters, they're not twins, they don't look the same. This one is thinner than this brow, so I'm going to fix it now. Make sure you don't have any sharp edges, so I'm just like removing. So now we'll go to the powder part, which is this. You can use the same brush or you can use another brush if you want. So just dust off the excess and apply it. So this makes sure that your eyebrows, it doesn't move like the product. That's it, I'm done. Now I'm going to set these brows, and I will use another product which is from Benefit again. This is the 24-hour brow setter, so that if you like have a long office day, or if you're going to a party and you don't want your brows to like smudge, this is what you need to use. And so this is what it looks like. It's like a clear gel. You just apply it over on top of your brows just like this to set it. So guys, that's it, we're done. So you can go to your party or you can go to your office, and your brows won't move, it won't smudge. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts, anything guys, you let me know. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I will see you soon guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.